Okay, Echo, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. My name is Emobosa Onerime, and I am the Customer Success Manager at Web Work Tools Limited. So today I'm recording this video because I'm trying to communicate to you and everyone in any platform that this video is shared to tell you how I can help. So as Customer Success Manager at WebWork Tools, let me first of all tell you what WebWork Tools does. WebWork Tools is a software company that provides technology for enabling your business growth, meaning that we're trying to reach out to everyone who has a business to help them to grow. And the way we're going to do that is by giving software to certain businesses that can influence the others. Now, in order to do this, we know that software is a dime a dozen. Yeah, that is, there are so many software packages, software solutions all over the world. People are building all kinds of websites, web applications, systems in place, infrastructure, hardware, software, you name it. But at WebWork Tools, we decided to focus on one simple thing: solutions that drive business growth. Nothing more, nothing less. Of course, a business can grow and become bigger. So that's why I'm making this video. When we started at WebWork Tools, we started taking care of businesses that just needed email addresses. They just needed to, communicate. They just needed to store records. They just needed to manage profiles, just little needs, manage documents, collaborate on documents, what have you. But now the needs are bigger. We're now dealing with enterprises that have complex problems to solve in the areas of FMCG, in areas of construction, real estate, different industries. In fact, we even have entertainment these days. So now the scope is bigger and the customer list that we have is much. And we feel that if we try to use traditional methods to recruit people or to hire people, we would also be overwhelmed because it's not easy to hire people. We have to get people who are strategic and people who are, technical. So what we decided to do is that we built a community called Web Work Developers Community. This community is a place where we would share everything we know with anybody we may potentially want to work with now and in the future. When we share what we know, we expect you in the community to start learning. We, particularly myself, maybe my partner and a few other people, may not be available to serve you in that community. We might be able to comment to your posts and share information there, but we might not be there to coach you one-on-one. So what we decided to do is to partner with different communities that have people, and these people will be able to come and learn together in our community. Our simple job is to do two things and do those two things well. The first thing we're going to do is to provide all the learning resources, all the tools, and all the access that anyone in the community would ever need to learn. Two is that we're going to be providing project opportunities at first, and eventually, in some cases, job opportunities, because we have these projects from Nigeria, from other places in Africa, and the rest of the world. We have projects coming from left, right, and center based on these client demands. Let me give you a hint. WebWork Tools had to partner with Zoho to provide software. And Zoho is a software company as well, but Zoho builds applications for businesses to work and work effectively and grow. However, Zoho cannot really do this in every country. So in different regions, they have to get what they call consulting partners. These partners like us, WebWork Tools, will come close to you to help you. I am Customer Success Manager, so you can imagine that I'm at the tail end of every customer success. So when customers that we have succeed, just remember that I was in that room. So you can imagine how busy I would be. So in essence, we are always preoccupied solving problems because we decided to tackle the growth box. So here's what we expect you to do when you join the community. When you join the community, we expect you to start sharing your learning experiences. Go to our website at webworktools.com, click on products, or go to webworktools.com/products. Your community manager, if you are watching this video from your community manager would already have the address. So go to those products listed on our website and then try to learn how to use them, how to build them, how to grow with them. Okay, learn how people work with them. Then start sharing your learning journey. When we see that you are making progress with your learning journey, we will reach out in the comments and communicate with you because we are always trying to recruit. We're always looking for people to train. But we can't train you from an empty spot. No, you have to have gained some experience before we will take you for training. And of course, this will be entirely free before we give you contracts and eventually a job or long-term opportunity to partner with us as a corporate organization. So I believe that this video will be able to help you know where you stand at any point in time. If you have questions, you can send them to community@webworktools.com directly, or you can contact your community manager, and your community manager will reach out to us through the appropriate channels. Please, if your question is about a bug when using an app, please share it in the community. But if your question has to do with collaboration, purpose, engagement, recruitment, any of the likes, share it to community@webworktools.com. If we're recruiting or we need anything, our human capital department will take it over from there. However, usually, our recruitment method will require us to do some headhunting. So make sure you're good and make sure your learning progress is that we can be proud of. Thank you so much. And that's it from me at WebWork Tools Limited. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.